Most people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on a Windows PC and never change their settings. And the problem? Some of Windows 11 default options can waste your time, make every task more frustrating, and even useful features sitting there unused. There are first 5 settings I change every Windows 11 computer I use. And honestly, once you start using them, you will wonder how you ever lived without them. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you 5 Windows 11 settings you should change immediately, and most people never do. Let's start with one of my favorites. Have you ever copied a password, an address, a paragraph from a website, and then accidentally copied something else? And then you just paste, and just like that, your password is gone. It's one of those small frustrations almost everyone dealt with. The good news is Windows already has a fix built in. Now you just press Win key plus V on your keyboard. If Clipboard History is turned off, turn it on by clicking here and it's done. Now instead of remembering only the last thing you copied, Windows keeps a history of your recent copied items. Made that paragraph you copied 5 minutes ago, it's still there. The address you copied, it's still there. And honestly, this is one of those features that doesn't sound impressive until you use it for a week, and then you never go back. If you use your PC for work, school, or multitasking, this one is a game changer. Not because it's flashy, but because it saves time every single day. Most people still drag Windows around manually. Email one side, document uploading another side, and browser one side. Instead, hover over the maximize button, you see a snap layout, just like this. Choose a layout, Windows instantly organizes your apps. I use this constantly when comparing documents, researching online, or writing scripts. It makes your desktop feel organized without any extra effort. And once you get used to it, regular multitasking feels ancient. Another short thing, if you want to minimize all of them at one instance, you just press Win key plus M and everything is minimized. Press Shift Win key plus M together and everything is in front of you. Now let's talk security. Most people assume Windows security is either on or off, but there is settings buried inside that many users never check. You just go to Windows security and then go to apps and browser control and then reputation based protection. Just click in here. Make sure these protections are enabled. What this does is help warning you about suspicious apps, potentially unwanted downloads, and files that don't have good reputation. Now, will it replace common sense? No, not at all. But if this were my own PC, I'd absolutely keep it turned on, because it adds another layer of protection without slowing your computer down. And these days, that's worth it having. Okay, quick question. Why are people still emailing themselves files? Seriously? If you have another Windows device nearby, Windows already has something similar to AirDrop. It's called nearby sharing. You just go to settings, then system, and now just scroll and here it is, nearby sharing. Just turn it on. There are 2 options, my device only and everyone nearby. Now you can quickly send photos, documents, and other files between compatible Windows devices without uploading them to cloud first. It's one of those features that's surprisingly useful, but many people don't even realize it exists. And once you start using it, it just makes life easier. Let's be honest, distractions are everywhere. Emails, notifications, messages, social media. If you sit down to work and constantly lose focus, Windows actually has built-in tool designed to help. Now you just open your clock. Now here, look for focus sessions. You can set dedicated work periods, maximize interruptions, and create a routine that helps you stay on task. It sounds simple, but sometimes the smallest change has the biggest impact. If you're trying to be more productive, this feature is worth trying. Out of all 5, if I had to pick just one, I'd probably choose the Clipboard History settings. It's one of those features you don't realize you need until you start using it. And certainly you were wondering why Windows didn't enable it by default. The truth is, Windows 11 has a lot of genuine useful tools built right in. The problem is most people never discover them. But hopefully now you have. And if there are any Windows settings you think more people should know about, let me know down in the comments. If you want straightforward Windows updates, practical tips and Microsoft coverage without jargon, consider subscribing to Sektor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.